My name is Professor Hasskreidt, and you are not. Tonight, we will be discussing Gottschalk's homework. He calls it Hasskreidt laundry. He's funny. I don't know no laundry. I don't even know why he'd say that. I think that's a subtle insult on me. I'm gonna talk with him. I got lots of things I could say about him too. He hardly ever did homework in my class. Then he says he wants to be a math teacher. I can't take that seriously. Anyway, let us move on. It says in the beginning, he gives us a scenario for this laundry. But we have revenue and we have expenses. Okay. Let us look first of all at what would the equation for the revenue be. He says that there's a monthly advertising fee that they receive in this alleged laundry of $300. So revenue equals 300, a constant. That is, it's going to always be 300. Okay? And a variable cost of $2 for every load of laundry done. Okay? We will use L as our variable for how many loads of laundry get done. Okay. So our revenue equation, our revenue model, the revenue equals 300 plus 2, that's a decimal point, dollars N. Okay? Our expenses or costs. Expenses equal, what does it say on this assignment he gives out? He handwrites it. His handwriting looks like a child wrote it. Utilities of $1,000 per month. So that's another fixed cost, a constant. This will always be 1,000. Even if only one person does that laundry, it's going to cost $1,000 a month. And $1 per load of laundry. Plus 1 L. Now you'll notice we use L 2 times. It is the same variable. In other words, whatever number that we stick into the L for the revenue will also be the same number that we stick in the L for the expenses. Okay? Which should make sense to you. Okay? The total number of loads of laundry done is going to be the same, regardless of whether or not it counts as revenue for the proprietor of the business or as an expense for the customer coming in. How do we calculate profit? Profit is defined as revenue less expenses. Okay, good. Now, what we want to do is put that all into one model for how we model profit at this laundromat. Profit. Oops. I wrote that. Okay, yeah. Profit equals. I should start it over on the right hand side so I got more room. On the left hand side, rather. And I'll get that out of the way so you can see. Profit equals the revenue, which is 300 plus 2L less or minus 1,000 plus 1L. Please note that this 1L can be considered just plain L because 1 times any number is itself. That is the fact check. Okay, now Gottschalk then asks that we compute the profit for 1,000 loads of laundry. Okay, now it's easy. All we have to do is substitute in 1,000 for L. So it would look like this. And be smart. Write it out. Okay, you all try to do that in your head. Stop doing it in your head. Use the paper. That's what it's there for. Okay. This equals 300 plus 2 times the 1,000 loads that he requests in the problem, less 1,000 plus 1 times 1,000, which is, if you look on the far right, 1 times L, which is 1,000. We're just substituting in 1,000 for the L in this expression that's part of the equation and in this one. And unfortunately I ran out of room, so I have to continue it down here. 1 times 1,000 equals 1,000. Bueno, yes? Okay, 300 plus 2 times 1,000 will equal 2,300 minus 1,000 plus another 1,000, which is 2,000. $2,300 minus 2,000 equals 300. Okay. Let us do 1 power clap. That was good. And now a high square root of 16. Clap it. Yeah. And one of those fist bumps that blows up. Boom. Very bueno. Now the rest of this, it asks then for what will be the profit for 2,000 loads. You do it the same way, except you plug in a 2,000 for L here. I'm sorry, a 2,000 for this L and a 2,000 for this L. And then it asks what number of loads of laundry will give you exactly $0 profit. In other words, what is the break-even point? Use the guess and check method. You should be pretty close. By doing 1,000, like I just did, and then 2,000, it's probably going to be somewhere between there. Or maybe not. Now that I think about it, we only made $300 with 1,000 loads. So probably you'll have to substitute in a number less than 1,000. And keep substituting in until you find the exact amount that gives you 0. Okay? Nod your head. Thumb up. That's the fact, Jack. Eat your vegetables. Do your homework. Do something nice for whoever is taking care of you. Do what I tell you and be successful. And hurry up.